every day I hear the news, all they speak is war. Still don't know what the hell we fighting for. Shoot your brother down. Father, help us now. What we need is love. What we need is love. When you feel like life is just too hard, brother, put your trust in God. And I know that tomorrow will be a better day. Baby girl, drop to your knees and pray. He will take the stress away. Yes, I know.